Security. Our headliner is Alkaline. He's the Beyonce of Jamaica. He's the one.
Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Vibes Cardo responds to Masicka and Alkaline.
You in a song subliminally, you might have to answer them, or do you kind of look at it like, you know what? You guys are all my sons. I can't really be fighting it out with my sons. How do you view that?
A few moments later.
I mean, why would I even care, man? Like, take your shot, man. I'm busy. I'm on a yacht in Miami chilling. Like,
Why are you running? Why are you running?
Why every time an artist do a song and throw some subliminal, them say Alkaline and Masicka, them attack. Hey y'all, come look at this.
Yes, that little dirty man that talking about Skilly Bang is above Alkaline, bitch.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, how the latest news them love.
I don't know one Media Fox pan app, you know. Yeah man, you know I think said people. One Media Fox pan app. You see it? Yeah man. People, yeah man, tipsy, you don't know Barbados. Sunday. You understand? Yeah man, you don't know Alkaline are going to Barbados. You see me tipsy musical festival. Tier 1 ticket, 95% sold out. So you don't know a couple days. Or maybe tomorrow or the next day it's sold out. You understand? So go get the tickets, people, it's gonna be a moment. Yeah man, it's our next Lala and our next girl good trending. You see me? Yeah man. So make go in a video the people. You see me? Make you know what I go on.
Security. Our headliner is Alkaline. He's the Beyonce of Jamaica. He's the one who has the fan base that will never allow you to say anything negative about. I dare you to go on and say something bad about Alkaline. They're gonna destroy on X.
And there's Dexter Daps and Chanel Muir.
Listen, Anthony, we've gone.
Yeah man, so you don't know people. Jamaican loud. Loud. Jamaican loud. You see me? Yeah. You don't know that go. Nah, go now, man. So you don't know that the promoter attack. You see me? Alkaline headline Jamaican. Yeah, man. Superstar, man. You see me? Superstar. You know that go. I think Alkaline will perform maybe like August the 31st. I saw? No, not August the 31st. Around July, yeah. On July them time, July the 31st or something like that, I think. You see me? So, look out, people. You're not gonna normal. You see it? Yeah, man.
From Negril, where at our peak, you know, we do 7,000 people event. We probably dropped down to 5,000 people event last year to somewhere now where venues like Aqueduct and the convention center. Aqueduct, we have Alkaline and Governor on one night. That's at a 10,000 person event. So we're going to do a record.
Vibes Cardo responds.
People, boy, I'm also why I was coming to know that. Vice Cartel, boy, I know. But here I go on, people.
To Masicka and Alkaline.
You in a song subliminally, you might have to answer them, or do you kind of look at it like, you know what? You guys are all my sons. I can't really be fighting it out with my sons. How do you view that?
like you're asking me that question about me in a vacuum.
Yes.
Like, how would I? Okay. I mean, why would I even care, man? Like, take your shot, man. I'm busy. I'm on a yacht in Miami chilling. Like, you know what I mean? I put the work in. Like, you know what I mean? I already paid my dues.
Cause they say the funny. I'm gonna ask about Clash, dog. And you talk about the pan yacht and all of them things, them G. Boy, John Walker tell. I kinda see say, bro, it come like I just say go. I just Mavado, you kinda have that strength there for cause you know say Mavado. You have Mavado file. You know everything about Mavado. You know what kind of alliance thing and a bag of thing. You understand? Yeah, bro. So you remember say you bounty as your father, but you still worry. You understand? And something they would call you a kid. Bounty would call you a kid. Him son. So I don't know me G. At the end of the day, no dog, you know. Remember say you put out song and your fans them say, yo, I'm Masicka and Alkaline I get beaten. So I don't know. You say you know nothing but you throw shades or every little thing, and that don't make no sense, me G. If you say alright, them youth are a little youth, make them be a little youth then. You see me? If you're not war, if you're not do that, it don't make no sense. You see me? So I just feel like say, yo, you just use leverage right now I just that, bro. Cause we not see no clash where you actually we can say win. Cause right now if you ask some of my people, I can say win Mavado clash. You understand? Win. You see it. So we not really have a clash we say alright. Such and such. But you can do your thing still. You see me? But if you continue to throw shades, the man them are gonna continue do what you do. I go do what them I do. You understand? So don't make it look like say the youth them just get up and I throw shades off of you and everything. I remember so when you're in a prison, you throw shades boy, kill him with the little blind boy. One in the little blind boy, you ball. Everybody know Alkaline attack. You've been a throw shots. So if you go forward out now because when you did their prison, seeing you have to watch you them do things and certain little things. So you say, alright, I forward out now. I not give no man no strength. Yo, me and them man I never did that war. When everybody knows say that war. You understand? But if you know say alright, them man kids, you know if you throw no shades or nothing, me G. You understand? Yeah. I just one of them thing there.
That's it. I don't need to answer you. Like not like even like the kids when I came out, most of them showed me love and I showed them back love because you know what I mean. It is what it is. They got to do them though. That's what I'm saying. Like if you think you have to go that way, you want to attack the general to prove a point, to prove that you bad, go for it. But guess who? But you're going to be fighting yourself. Okay. Mavado and Vibes Cartel did one of the biggest clashes in the history of any genre. Can someone come and do it bigger? Of course, because you know the saying, what men have done, men can do. But why would I need to recreate my own wheel?
Yo, the one say, if though my Mavado do a clash. Now I realize, is this Mavado Gully and Gaza thing, you don't really have. You come like a data on the accurates, Yeah, man, call how much artists clash. Me never see them, say greatest clash of all. So say, Bounty and Beanie clash is nothing. This money and this clash is nothing. Say, the clash of all genres. That not make no sense, me G. Where you actually get out of this clash? What accolates? Me see Drake and something they do a clash. Seeing they might not go up on stage. But Kendrick get Song of the Year, how much Grammy, all of them little things that you get out of the clash. Where you get out of the clash. It could be the all of time of all genre, my G. You have clash, how much clash with 50 Cent them. Why some of the time when I just exaggerate and I don't know. Bro, we just have a little clash in a bill, bro. You understand? I just a little clash thing on the run. That's all we have, I eat on the table every day. Gully and Gaza clash. Gully and Gaza clash. That's all. What else you have? What else? You know make no sense, my G.
Me and Mavado already did that. You know what I mean? So if a kid is in his bag and he wants to fight, choose from among your peers, sir, and build. Like don't try to skip the line. That's crazy work. And like I said, that's just me. You asking me a question specifically about dancehall. Yeah.
But Cartel, you do the same thing, my G. You do the same thing. You skip the line. You understand? Remember say you end up and go off a bounty, my G. When I do one of them run out, you never do nothing with your peers. A bounty you go off. You understand? Remember say when Ninja Man and you for them, what you do? Your little G them kick down Ninja Man on stage. You never want clash Ninja Man. You understand? You only clash Mavado because you're Mavado a friend. And you know him little secret them and every little thing. You understand? But the clash thing we not have, I don't feel like say, oh, if the youth them not do this, them now go reach. The youth them now for clash pan reach down the level, brother. Remember uno know the limit to dancehall, me G. Uno know the limit. There is more to dancehall. You have Shabba them level, you have Sean Paul, you have Shaggy. The man them not for dip on your level, me G. That is something we want to hold on to. The clash with you and Mavado, which are your friend now. You understand? Remember saying the clash we want to do, it wasn't about music alone. Remember say man end up losing them life. Man get shoot off and run up and down. It's more than music. Remember that. So if I that you no want the youth them to come do. Seeing? It now go happen. Because it's not about music only. The Gully and Gaza thing was a thing where it put a dam in the culture till government have to say, yo, Ray. It wasn't about music, my G. So if you don't feel like say the youth them fi do this, for reach to fool nothing or whatsoever, brother. In a no genre about no clash or who clash and way for reach to that level here. You understand? Chris Brown them over in a US market and Ray. Them man they no clash. But them man they do something. Clashing have no weight when it comes to artists, my G. You understand? If you want Mavado, Bounty and Beanie do them thing, you want Mavado do nothing. You understand? No mean say Alkaline or Masicka for come do the same thing, my G. Things and time change. If I that to no one, brother. Because that they clash their brother is not about music or badness. People lose them life. You understand? So if you no want to say all the youth them for do this, you can go on with phone clash and hold on to no clash. Remember say generational thing change, you know. You understand? Some of them young youths will just grow. Them no business about Mavado and Cartel clash or what them do. Them no business about that, brother. I will grow up in on the phone no time. You understand? Masicka and Alkaline right now come do something different. Them now for clash. If you say, oh, more and clash reach to Mavado and Cartel level. No, me G. There's more to success in a dancehall than for go down the road there. You understand? That don't make no sense. First of all, Alkaline and Masicka not have that type of beef where you and Mavado have from alliance. The war thing, the disrespect, the badness. No. Man, them not have that. And them not have a clash reach to phone level either. All the man them have to just put in the work. Get big hit song out there. We dominate the world. Get platinums and them thing there. Yeah. The man them can do them thing there. You not use that for all the use because you don't know say yo. This stage clash thing and rare thing done me G. Yeah, lyrical thing over. Look on Drake and what you call it, Kendrick. Them never go up on the stage. The thing and the time thing change, you know. You understand? Yeah, man. So just hold on to phone. That a phone basically legacy. No means you have to use them legacy. Because at the end of the day, for the next 20 years, the clash thing will come like nothing, my G. I tell you that. It will come like nothing. You see right now, Bounty and Beanie clash thing, unlike nobody really want to see that. Because the time and time pass. So the next 20, 30 years, nobody now miss Gully and Gaza, my G. I tell you that. I just saw it go. Is it?
Yeah. You know, I wouldn't even need to fight kids anyway. Well, bro, no. Like I said, man, the abundance mindset. I'm good, I'm working, I'm doing my job. You know what I mean? I'm making the best of my life. I'm trying to be the best version of me. So I'm fighting the cartel.
Why every time an artist do a song and choose some subliminal, them say Alkaline and Masicka, them attack. You know, some Skillibeng drop a tune the other day and choose somebody night and everybody around and say Alkaline and Masicka, Alkaline and Masicka. Everything, Alkaline and Masicka. Alkaline and Masicka. Let me ask you this something.
You know, Shaquille Murray, I saw it going on. You understand? I want to two you them when not to in a this time where at the moment now what them can't control. So any artist will align themselves with the Gaza and them say something, yeah, them a go say them man them are this and them man them attack. Cause I saw them want for market for them side of artists. But if you man them run out now, them a go left them in the dark. You understand? That a go on. Alkaline and Masicka are the two young gens them right now where name a call or them have a potential for lead the thing right now. You understand? It no matter what happen. Or two of them. So that's why them name a go call. You see me? Them name a go call. Yeah. So right now it will constantly be like that. You see me? Yeah.
No artist, no dancer. You know what me notice? You see that right? They say nothing now go on for you.
Yeah, man.
Yes, that little dirty man that talking about Skillibeng is above Alkaline. Bitch, are you fucking dreaming? Why don't we jump off our Pacific, man? Wanna just say some things and do some things when I make no blood clot sense. Wanna just look attention from the man in a negative blood clot way. And then I get it because the whole of una blessing black. I have some people want to reply to them. Your blessing gone. Alkaline is not looking. He's fully blood clot, book and unbothered. Get that again. I'm fully book and unbothered. Like everything. Alkaline, attention, you know what, sir? You're going to get their blood clot attention we want to need. I want to desire, because attention is success. When you go talk about that, no man, and debate about the man's success, the man.
No man, them no not remember you know them have to call Alkaline name to stay relevant, you know. But the youth don't give them no energy. The youth well busy right now, not give them no energy. You see me? Remember you know him in the media, you know. I'm most anti-social dancehall artist ever. You understand? And brother, him name call the most. Imagine a brother where you know too seen at the media like that. Only time you see him when him had put in the work. You see me? And him name call the most. He come to dancehall art. Man afi dep on internet every day I show him lifestyle, house, car, everything. For stay relevant and for people talk about him. Alkaline just did it. Nah show nobody nothing. Him nah do nothing. And it a bother them. Tell me now. Do you not have to do nothing for him name call? You understand? How when something that keep them find some way for add him name to it. The youth great. You understand? The youth great. Imagine you not see a person in the media. Look how much a dancehall artists right now where you're not too seen in the media or not in the hot topic. And them would have never call them name. But the man with them not see none at all. None. One time them see him and when him go do a show or put out a song or in our music video. If them not see that, nothing else. And the youth name always a call. Any look, no matter what season, Alkaline name of dead. You understand? The youth, you should say youth really relevant for dancehall. Him really relevant. Cause him now if you don't know, imagine if Alkaline didn't have media like that. It would have even worse.
I'm not going to debate about it, man. I talk about it and I'm fully booked, man. And no artist, them now get no show. Skilly Bang is a good collaboration artist. He's not really an artist. He's a collab artist. Are you going to put him in the category of Alkaline? Are you fucking dumb or what, bitches? Alkaline, one key man, the golden child, the locksmith, the eagle. Yes, the powerhouse. Yes, the powerhouse. Alkaline is in a class, is in a category, is in a league, is in everything by in blood clot self, no fallabaka. No attention, no could have come, no could have take Mary off at Jesus off at the cross and say yes, go for Alkaline. He's not looking. So come with something better, come with a different strategy. Promote him instead of demote him. Promote him success, him fully book. One artist there. But if it up there. The fly rabbit fly there. One keep and one Alkaline. He's a golden child. Accept it, admit it. It is what it is, guys. Alkaline is the fucking locksmith. Him open every door, every entrance, everything. Like, get it together, guys. One artist there.
The man I use silence kill them. I tell you, when them artists in the media every day, I try to gain attention. Alkaline just there. None seen. And the man name I call up. See there? Something go viral about Mavado and Alkaline. Alkaline name always a fear save one artist. So I try to tell you. I see big hurricane go on. Alkaline. How much dancer, the whole genre dancehall artists I donate. And the one where them not see, I donate. Them have to call out. For sure you don't care. Them not even care about the hundreds we are donate already. You can see 100 artists I donate and you worry about one next one when I donate according to one. And when you start donate now, everybody silent. You can't get nothing better than this. You come like say, Alkaline a feel a dancehall for keep it excited, for keep it talk about. Because right now, if that youth are never in a dancehall or some artists you wouldn't even hear right now. May I tell you that? Yeah man, them wouldn't all get no shine. That's it. Yeah man.
You're getting all the bookings. Yeah, but you them say good, better, best. Never let it rest until your good is better than your better yet. Yes. Him have 2 cancer show. And greater things was lying ahead of him. And I never said that. I never predict that, right? But Alkaline to the fucking world, the youngest and the baddest. He's untouchable. And if you're not blood clot like him, take a seat in the back with the others. Because he's not like on the blood clot too. Yes, right so. One key man, one Alkaline, one golden child. Yeah, yo. Fully buck and unbuttered.
Yeah, man. Alkaline now pay them no mind, man. You see me? People, So we see a white girl run out. Boy, you know dog. Tell you, a lot of people I lose respect, you know. May I tell you, a lot of people I lose respect. It's just a matter of time. We see what going. Remember what going. Remember me tell you. So we're gonna hear what the girl that say people.
Greetings, Earthlings. Am I the only one so sick and tired of Vibes Cartel? Like, how you go from being the king of dancehall to just being a fucking clown on, like, just literally running a fucking social media circus? Like, that's really what you would think that when you get to a certain level, you call yourself a superstar, and the shit that he's entertaining, the shit that he's pushing out, is so beneath him. Like, really? All this shit with See Them and like the videos with the different women, like, you're fucking disgusting now. Like, you would think he would have more standards for himself, especially considering that he calls himself a superstar. This is not superstar behavior. Like, put out stuff of substance. Now he's just a fucking TikTok clown. That's why I just can't with.
Yo. Yo, dog, we are telling you know, people. And that's why I say, if you realize 99% of the media, you see a man forward out in a different cartel. You hardly can find at least 10 women forward out a different vice cartel with the things that we do in the media. Because why? The woman them not that really invested for even see the situation and say nothing about it. Them lose respect. May I tell you? Them lose half of him. Just looking at the media right now. Be a man. May I tell you? Be a man forward out. And a bag of thing. May I tell you? So me just be a woman there, different Alkaline. I mean can find 100 more. But Vice Cartel a bag of man. Kevin in a car. How much man pan TikTok? You hardly can find one woman where say, yo, Ray, this and that and no. You know why? Them now go see what I do. Cause them no want to put themselves in their shoes to see what I do, especially where them say we see them and want to. Woman now go really to defend them thing they when them see a next woman. You understand? Especially a man with a bag of woman and him now deal with such and such good. You understand? Yeah man, people like us lose respect. You see me? Because I feel them call him as say him the king, but superstar, I'm not so superstar role. That is not superstar. Cartel are more like a content creator to me. I'm not a superstar that. Superstar now depend social media. I'm more like no militancy. You understand? But me not go bash him for how him be because I know say as a Vice Cartel stays a brother will love attention. And when somebody love attention, you know, it's like them brain clicks it don't matter what them do, them just want to know say people are talk about them. So them will just do anything. You understand? But that are gonna make people just lose respect. Because certain people look up to certain things and certain standard. That's why I say, if him say I call the youth them kids and this and that, and you still throw shades after the youth them, you're not meds on a bigger level then. If you say the youth them not on your level or do this, why you meds them then? Why you throw shades? You say you're done with clash, you not clash them, then why you throw shades? Then when the youth them throw back something now, you go say, well, you're on your yacht and the kids them can throw. You waste of time, G. Yeah, we are joking. You understand? It show you say you just can't just focus on you and do your thing according to your level. You understand? You have to meds the kids them to stay relevant. Because you know say the tribal thing when it comes to dancehall, oh, throw some jams, tall belt, way over Alkaline or Masicka or whatever. You can't do it because if you don't do that, you're not going to the conversation. So that's why you have to continuously throw your shades and raise so people talk. Because the media thing is just today and then by 2 days people forget about it. You understand? Yeah. So I just that. To me, Cartel and it's a superstar move. You see me? Yeah.
Like when he first came out and he's dropping all this God, this and all that conscious music, you know? Like, I knew it was a crock of shit. Like, yo, it don't matter how many times a snake shed his skin, it's always gonna be a snake. Because, like, look at the shit that you're pushing out. Like your last album was what, God's Plan or something like that. Something about God was his last album, but you're pushing out absolute buffoonery right now, like straight trash TV. Like it's become like everything that I see of him now on FYP is straight like low budget trash TV, fake outrage, just videos with him with all these like you're disgusting, literally. It's like, you know when you really used to respect an artist and then now you just don't because it's like you're supposed to be a fucking millionaire, you know? And here you are pushing out absolute trash. Like you're a grandfather. Like gross. And the stupid women in there entertaining this shit. They're all a bunch of idiots over there. Bunch of fucking clowns. It's a fucking clown show. It's literally a shit show. Yeah.
Well, people, there it goes. You know? There it goes. You see me? Yeah. She'll tell you. You know? It's a girl overseas. You see me? She look mixed or maybe it's mixed or white girl, whatever. Well, she's on the outside, you know, looking at it. You know, a lot of people maybe looking at it the same way. But it's only a due time, you know. So Vice Cartel, continue what you're doing. Be you. You understand? Yeah, just be you. The whole world gonna see, you know. But people, big up on yourself and you don't know one media fox pan up, you know. Mad thing.